This is 4K 60 Jeeps, test 1, 2, 3. Good afternoon, folks. It's the morning. I don't even know why I said that. I've owned my Tesla for 8 months now. I got the white interior, and today I'm going to show you what the white interior looks like after that period. I have 16,000 miles on the car, so I've driven it a lot, and I'm going to show you the wear and tear on the seats and exactly how to clean them with these Hydrosilex products. Use my code JEEBS, saves you 25% across their website, and we'll get them cleaned up. Now, last time I cleaned the seats, you guys said that I used a towel. You couldn't see how much dirt was being removed. So this time I'm going to use a black towel, so you can definitely not see how much dirt was removed. I have these towels here, so I'll go ahead and remove it off the front seat. Obviously, the driver's side front seat is the one that has just the most dirt on it. So let's get that cleaned up, and I'll have everything I'm using in the video linked down in the description to be able to pick up this dirt. So follow me. So this interior surface cleaner can clean anything on the interior. So for example, this white panel here, normally if you get the black trim in the Tesla, this is actually Alcantara, which I kind of like better. I wish this was Alcantara, but Alcantara white would get filthy. So anyways, you can just spray it on kind of freely. And you take this horsehair brush, agitate. Gotta really agitate it. Yeah. Now that the leather is agitated, it's a little upset. You bring in this microfiber here. Oh, that side's dirty. And just wipe it off. Just get a little wipey. And it gets rid of that, whatever, dead skin, vomit, anything that's on the side of your car. And you can't see anything on here. But you're going to have to take my word for it that that's now a cleaner surface. Really, it's really going to show on the seats. So what I've done with the seat here is I've taped it off. This is where my subscribers are. This is where most people are. So I need all of these people to come to this side, please. And the like button is still sponsoring this video, so you feel free to click it if you want. So we're going to spray this on to the seat here. Scrub it with the horsehair. Now you can see that there's like actually dirt coming up off of the seat out of the grooves. And we might have to do this a couple times to get the really good results, but let's take this so you can see this is totally clean. And then wipe that up, starting to come up really nicely. So this stuff works really well, and I'm also going to show you guys, if you don't have a Tesla, you just have something else. I have an M2, and I'm going to show you how good this stuff works on the M2 because it brings it to a matte factory finish, which is something that I love. There's some brands that will have it do like a shiny finish, and you sit on your seat and you fly across it. So I'm going to show you what it does on like normal leather, like in the M2, but I'm also going to put another coat on here. It looks a lot better. It's tough to actually get like an eye-popping result, so that's why I'm going to show you on the M2 here in a little bit. Plus it's a leather. This is vegan leather, which I don't know what that is, but yeah. So I'm going to pull this strip off, and now you can see the before and after. It's pretty significant. It's even the matte finish on the M2 is kind of a little crazier. I did some testing the other day on it, and just it's impressive how much it pulls off. So onto the M2. So now on to the M2 interior. Also, if you're interested in M2 content, at the end of this month, March, I'm gonna be going to a private track with a friend, so stay tuned for that video. I've never taken this to the track. I've been to the Bondurant track about 5 times, racing the cars that they have there, but I've never actually taken my own car to the track. So that will be fun. On to this interior. So as you can see on these seats, they look pretty good. I don't drive the car a ton, but there's still this kind of this shiny leather look. So, and these seats do happen to be leather, so I'm happy they look like that. But we're just gonna get it back to the factory matte finish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to clean this section here and then show you the difference between these two sections. So that way, if you have a black interior, you can see that this stuff works just as well. And you know, on the white interior, black interior, that way we covered all of our bases. If you have a brown interior, don't clean it. Just leave it brown, because that's the American way. Gotta get it lathered, you gotta get it agitated, get it upset, make it angry with you, and then you give it that sweet love. See? Oh yeah, now we're good, see? Back to factory, just like you were when the day I first laid eyes on you. That's how you want your seats to look, no doubt. You want that factory finish, just like that. We'll pull the tape off, and you can see that this panel is just perfectly back to normal, and this one here has this slick, feels like snakeskin, honestly, and this has like a more of a stick feature to it. What am I talking about? You could see the difference. So that's about it for this video. I just wanted to make it quick, to the point, show you how to clean your Tesla interior, show you how to clean, if you have something else, to clean that interior if you have leather, and just go through Hydrosylex's line of products real quick just to help you out. Because if you do go on their site, it's not that they have like 50 glass cleaners, like they produce the best of each product that they can, and then that's it. And that's what I really like about them in this partnership. So you have the wheel cleaner. This stuff works great. This is my favorite product that they make. It's the ceramic waterless wash. It's just the shine it gives you on your car and the slickness. Like, really, this is the stuff that you're going to use after you wash your car and there's some water spots sprayed on. Or maybe your car is just a little dusty. You can spray this on and then gently wipe it off and give your car a full wash, the touch-up that it needs, because it doesn't really need a full car wash. What Hydrosylex is known for is their ceramic coat. So you have the wax and grease remover. This is what you put on first, and then you come on and you put the ceramic coat on. Now after you do that, to maintain it, you're going to want to use the silica soap. So this is the soap that I use to clean both the Tesla and the M2. So that they kind of all work in conjunction with one another. So these three kind of work together. Then you have this one to help keep that ceramic slick coat on it. Then I just showed you the interior surfaces cleaner. This is the ceramic coating that can go on your interior. This is probably what I use the least. It's good, I guess, if you have maybe an older car. I've actually used this to clean the grill out back. So it's good for things like that, cleaning a dirty engine bay, but my engine bay just really has dust on it. So I haven't used this a ton. Maybe it's more applicable for some of you out there. And then it's their ceramic ass cleaner. This stuff, sorry, glass cleaner. So this stuff works great as well. There's lots of glass cleaners that clean just like this do. The difference is how the water beads off of the side of your car. So when you're cleaning your car, you'll just notice it shoots off the side, or you're in a rainstorm or something and it just seems to move off the glass in a different way. So really it's the ceramic is what makes the difference, and I highly recommend this. Again, my code Jeebs25 will save you 25% off their website. These people have been great to work with, these people. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Hydrosylex. If you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. I'll make sure to get back to you. On to the next video.